Anong maitutulong ko sa'yo?
What can I help you with?
Pwede ko bang malaman yun?
May I know that?
May kailangan ka ba ngayon?
Do you need anything right now?
Saan ka pupunta mamaya?
Where are you going later?
Gusto mo bang sumama sa amin?
Do you want to come with us?
Kumain ka na ba kanina?
Have you eaten earlier?
Ilan kayo sa bahay ninyo?
How many are there in your household?
Sige. Ingat ka palagi ha.
All right. Always take care.
Pasensya ka na kung ganun.
Sorry if that's the case.
Wala akong magawa ngayon.
I can't do anything right now.
Medyo pagod lang talaga ako.
I'm just a bit tired.
Huwag mo nang isipin yun.
Don't think about it anymore.